Welcome to Villa Richard I, an exclusive tropical sanctuary located in the prestigious gated community of Hideaway Beach in Playa Encuentro. Just steps from one of the Caribbean's most iconic surf breaks, this luxury villa offers the perfect blend of privacy, elegance, and coastal living. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by open spaces, natural light, and the design flows seamlessly between indoor and outdoor living. The main villa showcases clean architectural lines, vaulted ceilings, and a bright, airy layout. The open concept living and dining areas connect effortlessly to the outdoor terrace, creating the ideal environment for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying the Caribbean breeze. With two spacious, air-conditioned bedrooms, each with their own ensuite. The home is designed for comfort, tranquility, and effortless luxury. High-quality finishes, custom cabinetry, and thoughtful craftsmanship elevate every corner of this residence. Step outside to your expansive covered terrace, sparkling pool, and lush tropical landscaping. This is where mornings begin with coffee and ocean breezes, and evenings end with unforgettable sunsets. In addition to the main villa, the property includes a private guest casita, complete with its own living area, modern bathroom, and air conditioning. Perfect for hosting family and friends, or generating rental income. Located in the exclusive Hideaway Beach community, you're just minutes from Sosua and the Puerto Plata International Airport. Playa Encuentro is known for its world-class surf, vibrant international community, and strong investment potential. If you're looking for a high-end Dominican Republic property for sale, a luxury villa, or a home in an exclusive beachfront community, this exceptional estate checks all the boxes. Contact us today and take the first step toward owning your Caribbean dream.